Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use USA Visa Wizard to find out which visa you need to travel to USA based on your purpose and of course location and other factors. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So guys, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention here is to show you how to use and navigate through a service. Okay, that's all. So guys, in front of you I have opened official USA travel state website, US Department of State, Bureau of Consular Affairs. So if you go to US visas, you have a visa wizard. This is really going to help you to understand what you want to do and what visa you need. So what country, authority or area issued your passport? So for example, I do this. Okay, why are you traveling to USA? Why you want to come? Tourism, business, employment, study or exchange, traveling through the USA to another country, immigrate. So if I select immigrate, which choice best describe your situation? My spouse or the immediate family is a US citizen, lawful permanent. I plan to immigrate based on employment. I plan to marry a citizen in the US to learn about a diversity visa lottery. So if I select this one and then you click on find a visa, immediate relative visa are spouse of US citizen, unmarried married child, parent of US citizen, family preference. So you have these options. Family preference visa categories are, you see, you have these options. So it has given you the option. Alright, so from here you can do. Alright, so if you go back here and let's say if you want to go and study there or you want to visit, and if you click on here learn more, it's going to give you more information. So using this wizard you can always find out the appropriate. See, I come here, I have business, tourism, travel purposes, not a lot of resources we have that we can really use to find out what exactly we need. So thanks for watching this guys. I will keep you guys updated. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.